This Ventrac is awesome. I mean, it is so impressive.
So Ventrac's not a gimmick. This machine does it.
How do we say it? It's a Jeep thing?
Yeah.
It's a Ventrac thing.
You know
I'm
what?
even wearing Ventrac shirts. Come on, you guys.
My Ventrac is a year-long source of income for me. There are no down days. It doesn't matter what season. It's more versatile than anything I've ever owned.
We had to buy it because we wanted to be the industry leader in contracting and outsource maintenance, which we are.
Completely made in the USA product.
Which is cool.
And it's not one of those crappy made in the USA
No.
products. It's, you know, this is true USA made, beautiful, thick steel.
You know, as a combat veteran, it means a lot to me to buy a product that's actually made and manufactured in the United States. I fought for this country, and that means a lot to me.
This thing was an absolute beast. Blew our minds away. I would have never said in my wildest dreams that this tool could handle brush like this.
Well, my husband, he really enjoys the fact that when I'm out mowing, that he knows I'm going to be safe. He knows that I am in the seat of a machine that can take care of me.
It was, wow. For us, it was like, why did we suffer for the first 6 years with these other pieces of equipment when we could have had this?
They've told me that there's nothing that I wouldn't be able to buy a mower that will do these slopes. They said, Marie, you've got to get yourself some cows. And I said, like hell I will, because of the slopes. Nothing else can handle the slopes.
It was safer than what I ran. It was more productive than what I ran. And it got the job done without doing any turf damage.
In fact, we worked for one homeowner and had the neighbor come over and say, hey, I signed up this other contractor, but can I switch? I want you guys to do it. I've seen what they do. I see what you're doing. Can you do our line too? We've had that happen numerous times.
I'm true to Ventrac. I believe in your product and believe in everything on how you run your business and how you stand behind everything.
We can't afford any downtime. So if we're going to do something, we need to have the best machines we can for the job, and that's why we use Ventracs.
The only thing I don't like about Ventrac is it's a little sharp when you try to hug it. But, you know, just because if I could cuddle with it, I would. I mean, I love that machine. I joke about that all the time, you know. You joke about it, but at the end of the day, when you, after a long day of avoiding physical labor because of this, basically a 31 horsepower wheelbarrow at times, I mean, it really does, it makes you want to hug it.